Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In a surprise move, the presidency has congratulated the former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, on his 65th birthday, thanking him for his contribution to nation building and in the formation of the All Progressive Congress, and acknowledge his big roles in APC's 3 consecutive victories in 2015, 2019, and 2023. And the big question is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu scared of the potential of Nasiru El-Rufai moving to the other side? And therefore, this is a rapprochement effort, or what they call rapprochement, trying to mend fence with Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, who is sounding very agitated and ready to move to the other side to stop Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. Remember that this birthday greetings by the presidency is coming at a time when even the presidency itself berated Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, said that he is a political paperweight that cannot even win a senatorial election in Kaduna State. But when you listen or you read the statement from the presidency congratulating Malam Nasiru El-Rufai on his 65th birthday, talking the good things he has done for the APC, you will not fail to ask yourself, why then did they invite him to be a minister and then humiliated him? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if you could remember very well, at a get-together that was organized for presidential candidates by Northern Elders Forum in Kaduna, begged Malam Nasiru El-Rufai not to go for further studies, because at that time Malam Nasiru had made it clear that he was going for his PhD. The president said, don't go away, don't run away, stay. Promise me that you'll be there if I win, so that we'll work together. And he was nominated for ministerial position. And then at the National Assembly for confirmation, the Senate President and others, citing security reasons, did not clear him for nomination. In other words, humiliating Malam Nasiru El-Rufai. And today people are saying, those in the presidency, before these birthday greetings, were saying that why he was angry, it was because he was not part of the government, even though this was a government that begged him to stay behind, to work with them. Now, if really they appreciated what Nasiru El-Rufai did for them, especially in pushing through their Muslim ticket in northern Nigeria and elsewhere, why then didn't they clear him to become a minister so that he can continue to contribute to national development? They therefore beg us belief that they would think that people are deceived because they congratulated Nasiru El-Rufai. Because let's be frank about this. The National Assembly is a rubber stamp. This present National Assembly, led by Godswill Akpabio and the Speaker of the House of Representatives, many Nigerians see them as a rubber stamp. Anything Tinubu wants goes. If that is the case, it means that Tinubu deliberately didn't want Malam Nasiru El-Rufai to be a minister. And I do not think that wishing him a birthday on his 65th birthday had cleared that cloud about the way Malam Nasiru El-Rufai was treated by the Tinubu administration. I'm not making a defense for Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, but I'm just saying that it is hypocritical of the presidency to congratulate Malam Nasiru El-Rufai and say all these good things he has done, his contribution to nation building, his contribution to APC, And at the same time, when he ought to have contributed to your party as a minister, you didn't clear him by a rubber stamp National Assembly. Because I can tell you for free, this National Assembly that does everything that Tinubu wants, if indeed Tinubu wants Malam Nasiru El-Rufai to be a minister, there is no way Akpabio or anyone could have stopped Malam Nasiru El-Rufai. In other words, the presidency had a reason which they have not yet told Nigerians why they didn't want Malam Nasiru El-Rufai to be in their government. And this, congratulating him in his birthday at a time that it appears that the gloves are off and Malam Nasiru El-Rufai is ready to fight dirty with them, that they are now seeking a rapprochement, a kind of peace with him. If for nothing else, I think this is an attempt by the presidency to make peace with Malam Nasiru El-Rufai. How long this is going to last, we may never know. Why did I say this? Because nobody knew, nobody can say except Malam Nasiru El-Rufai himself, how deeply hurt he is that they brought him to the National Assembly to be cleared, and the National Assembly lawmakers messed him up. Okay, I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Do you think that the presidency is scared? Now is looking for peace so that Malam Nasiru El-Rufai do not go to the side of the opposition and fight them dirty and chase them out of power in 2027? Or what do you think? What does this indicate? This rapprochement by the presidency towards Malam Nasiru El-Rufai? Is it not a sign of begging him not to go to the other side? We are still acknowledging your role in our party. You are very important to us. You are very important to APC. How do you interpret this? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button. Hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.